Sa video nito, magsasagot ulit tayo ng sample problems sa laws of exponents. Simplify the following. Number 1. X raised to 0 times y raised to 0 times z raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 equals 1. Kaya magiging sagot dito ay 1. Number 2. Kapag ganito, mawa x raised to 0, lagi siyang equals sa 1. Kahit ganyan pa siyang y raised to 0 equals pa rin siya sa 1. Kahit anong letter ang ipalit mo dito, basta any number raised to 0 equals 1. Kaya ito, x raised to 0 equals 1, 1 din ito, and 1 din ito. Kaya equals x raised to negative 4, y raised to negative 2, z raised to 5 na lang yung natitira kasi 1 lang to. Okay, simplify na natin. Ito para maging positive yung exponents, ibababa natin x raised to 4. Then yung y din, may negative na exponent, ibaba lang din natin. Y squared, then yung z raised to 5. So, taas lang siya. Yun, ito na yung magiging sagot. Number 3. Cube root of x times fourth root of x times square root of x. Diba yung ganito, pwede mo siyang isulat as x raised to 1 over 3 times x raised to 1 over 4 times x raised to 1 over 2. Yan, ganun lang yung gagawin mo. Equals, kapag ganito multiplication, pag-a-addin mo lang yung exponent nila kapag magkakatulad naman ito ng variable x. Dx raised to 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/2 equals x raised to LCD nila ay 12. 12 divide 3, 4 times 1, 4 pa din. Plus 12 divide 4, 3 times 1, 3. Plus 12 divide 2, 6 times 1, 6. Magiging siyang x raised to 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 6, 13 over 12. Ito na yung magiging sagot. Number 4. Itong cube root of x, pwede ko siyang isulat as x raised to 1 over 3 times itong fifth root of y raised to 1 over 5 times y raised to 1 over 4 times x raised to 1 over 2. Yan, ganun lang. Tapos, pagplasin ko yung exponent ng parehas ng x. Kx equals x raised to 1/3 plus 1/2 times, yung parehas namang exponent ng y yung pagpaplasin ko, y raised to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 4. Yan, equals x raised to, pag-a-addin ko yung exponent na 1/3 plus 1/2. 3 times 2, 6. 1 times 2, 2. Plus 1 times 3, 3 times y raised to 5 times 4, 20 times 4, 4 plus 1 times 5, 5. Yan, butterfly method of adding fractions yung ginagamit ko. Equals x raised to 2 plus 3, 5 over 6. Then y raised to 4 plus 5, 9 over 20. Yan, masama na yung sulat natin. Okay lang yan. Basta ito yung magiging sagot. Yan, number 5. Number 5 na tayo. Ito, pwede ko isulat as y raised to 5 over 4 times, ito naman pwede kong isulat as y raised to 2 over 3. Yan, diniscuss ko na yan dun sa unang lesson, kaya alam niyo na yan kung ba't naging ganun, times z raised to negative 8, x raised to negative 2. Then, equals, pagpaplasin ko na yung exponent nito at saka nito kasi parehas lang naman silang y. Then, y is 2, 5 over 4 plus 2 over 3. Then, ito, dahil negative yung exponents, ilalagay natin sa baba. Para maging positive, say raised to 8. Then, ito din x. Negative yung exponent, ilalagay sa baba para maging positive, x squared. Pag-aadin ko na yung 5 over 4 plus 2 third dito sa tabi. Okay, 5 over 4 plus 2 over 3 equals, gamit ang butterfly method, 4 times 3, 12. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 2 times 4, 8 equals 15 plus 8, 23 over 12. Yan, kaya magiging sagot dito ay y raised to 23 over 12 over, ayusin ko yung y. Yan, z raised to 8, then x squared. Ito na yung magiging sagot. Okay, sunod natin yung x raised to 5 over 4 times, ito naman pwede mo siyang i-simplify as, yung pinakaloob muna, kopyahin natin yung y raised to 1/2 times, itong cube root, pwede mo siyang isulat as 1 over 3 times, ganun ulit yung gawin natin dito, kopyahin muna natin yung x squared, saka natin kopyahin yung fourth root, magiging 1/4. Then, ito may cube root pa sa labas. Ibig sabihin, 1/4 times 1 over 3. Yan, ganun lang yun. Tapos, x raised to 5 over 4 times y. Multiplying fractions, 1 times 1, 1 over 2 times 3, 6. Times, yan, medyo masama na yung sulat natin. Sulat ko pala. Then, x raised to 2 times 1, 1 times 1, 2. 2 over 4 times 3, 12. Then, pag-plus na natin yung exponent ng parehas na x equals x raised to 5 over 4 plus 2 over 12 times y raised to 1 over 6. Solve ko dito sa tabi yung 5 over 4 plus 2 over 12. Yung 2 over 12, pwede siyang i-simplify as 1 over 6. Kaya magiging 5 over 4 plus 1 over 6 equals 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. Plus 1 times 4, 4 equals 34 over 24. Pwede mo pa itong i-divide sa 2 para malagas din. Equals 34 divide 2, 17 over 24 divide 2, 17 over 12. Kaya ang magiging sagot ay x raised to 17 over 12 then y raised to 1 over 6. Ito na yung magiging sagot. Number 7, simplify naman natin. Okay, x raised to 0, lagi siyang 1. Equals 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Kaya magiging sagot dito ay 1. Ganun lang yung pag-solve ng problem sa last of exponents. Sana natutunan kayo sa video na to.